Hello and welcome, creative friends. I'm so sorry, it's been a while since I last talked to you. As you can probably hear, my voice still hasn't fully recovered yet, so please excuse the sniffles. Today I'm sharing my April design team project for Sunflowers and Dors using the beautiful Steampunk Chronicles kit. Make sure to stay with me until the end because I'll show you how to create a steampunk card using a full sheet from the kit. I created this little ideas notebook and honestly I had so much fun putting it together. When I finished filming the flip through, I suddenly remembered how to fold a heart, and that's how the steampunk heart was born. This notebook is filled with lots of interactive elements that I think you're really going to love. I backed it with packaging paper, which works so nicely with that gorgeous teal color. There's also an additional notebook tucked into the back pocket, giving you even more space for writing, journaling, or creative ideas. And now comes the fun part, how to fold a steampunk heart. Take a rectangular sheet of paper. I'm using a full-size sheet from the kit. Fold the upper left corner diagonally. Then do the same with the right corner. Next, fold along the line where those previous folds meet. This creates a guideline where you will fold the paper inward, forming a triangle at the top. Once you've done that, you will see a roof shape. Now take the right corner and fold it upward to the top. Repeat the same on the left side. Then fold the lower left side toward the center and do the same with the right side. the paper over so the back is facing you and fold down the top triangle. Next, take the lower part and fold it upward so it fits neatly under the triangle. Fold the lower right corner toward the center and tuck it into the opening under the triangle. Repeat this on the left side. Now fold back the small flap and tuck it into the little corner and do the same on the other side. And there you have it, your steampunk heart is ready. Since I use single-sided paper, this is also a really cute way to hide a little letter or note inside. If you enjoyed this project, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more creative inspiration. Happy creating!